Hello guys, this is FixTube, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make DVDs work again. For some reason Windows 10 doesn't come with DVD playing software out of the box. Microsoft does sell an app as a download from the Windows Store, imaginatively called Windows DVD Player, but it costs about $15. The best bet for those who want to watch DVDs is VLC Media Player, which I have opened the website in here, and is a free download app and is recently updated to support Windows 10. It also supports a host of other file formats. Even the weird ones make it a very useful tool to have around. So you can check it out in its website and figure out about everything it has with itself. So I suggest you to install this one on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video.